What's up, guys? It's 10 a.m. in the morning here in Fontana on the 10 freeway. I mean, on the 210 freeway, and it's snowing in Fontana. Check this out. Pretty cool, man. Maybe get closer, you guys can see it. Look at all that snow. Look at all that snow. What the fuck? I think the last time it snowed here must have been maybe like 10, 12 years ago. 15 years ago, I think. Check that out, dude. Looks cool. Dude, I can barely see the fucking road. Well, not the road, but you know. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. Ah, that shit looks beautiful, man. Whoa. Slow down. Let me slow down. Look at all that snow. Whoa, accidents. Oh, that's the only bad thing, man. This is the second accident I see in what, a stretch of like 3 miles. But it's nice. So people, drive safe. Be careful. Get home to your family safe. Don't be on the phone like I am. But I had to record this, man, because it looks nice. Look at that. That's a lot of freaking snow. Ah! You just can't see, but the traffic is stopping like a lot suddenly. Look at all that snow. Dude, we haven't had this snow in a long time, bro. Like 12 years. Well, it doesn't snow here in Fontana. Oh my god, I think I already missed my exit. Where's my exit at? Oh, here it is. Look at all that snow, dude. I mean, it's a lot for Fontana. For California, it's a lot. Check this out. Check this out. Ah, I like it. I love it. Look at that. Beautiful, man. Whoa. Look at that. Man, look at that right there. That's pretty cool. And the car's already covered in snow. What the hell? Look, that car's already covered in snow. Well, not this one. It just got out of the freeway like I did. But it looks cool, man. Like it. So like I said, we're in Fontana, California. I've never seen this much snow. The last time it snowed was maybe like 12, 15 years ago. And I was working, so, I mean, I just got off work, but last time I was working, I didn't really see it until I left one of my stores. But today, it's more live, I guess you can call it. But I love it, man. Should it be snowing right now? Maybe not. We're at the end of February. Look at the road. Even the road is getting full. Damn, I better drive slow or slower. I'm gonna post this later on and people are not gonna believe it because we don't get snow over here. They get snow over there in Victorville, Hesperia, on that side, but not. You see that white car right now? It was full of snow, but not over here in Fontana. We never get it. What the fuck? So where do you guys live? What part of the country do you guys live where it never snows and it's snowed maybe like once every 10 years? Let me know in the comments. Put it in the comments. I want to know where. Ah, shit. I had just called my wife right now to let her know that it was snowing. She didn't even know it was snowing. So she wanted to go and record, so we had to go. So they said, oh, well, I'm going to record too, you know? Beautiful. I love it. Oh, damn. What the fuck? Probably get home right now and start the fire at the chimney. Put some logs in there. It'll be nice. Some coffee. Or if you're Mexican, some canela with coffee. Yeah, look at this, man. I've never seen this much snow here in Fontana. Oh, shit. We're about to turn in my vlog right now. I'm almost home. Those of you that don't know me, this is Sal with Bearded Locos. I usually do wood signs, but I had to record this. Go check out my videos on how to make wood signs and all other kinds of neat stuff. But I had to record this, man, and I'm gonna post it right now on YouTube. Go check me out, Bearded Locos. Or go to Instagram at Bearded Locos Woodworks. Look at all the cars in my house, my block. Damn.